Hey, yeah.
Fuck him, then I get some money. Yeah. Fuck him, then I get some money. Yeah. Fuck him, then I get some money. Yeah. Fuck him, then I get some money. I need tongue, I need face, I need brain.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined with my son Vincent. Say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna be making slime. Well, he's gonna be making slime. We have some Elmer's glitter glue. We have some borax. We have a bowl, a spoon, and in case he wants it more blue, we have some food coloring. So let's just get started, huh? Alright, first you pour your glue, squeeze it. There you go, it's coming. There you go. Is that enough? Alright, let's put the lid on it.
I did this to it for Dad.
Oh, you want to add the borax? Okay. We're going to add the borax. I'll add this because you only put a little bit, okay? Alright. Here's your spoon to stir. Stir it really good. Not ready yet. Just a little bit more.
Did you give me that? I got the button.
Yep, you got the button.
And when you're ready to do it again, I'm not going to.
Alright, so this is what it looks like right now.
And soon it's gonna be dark slime.
Yeah, it's gonna be dark. It's a little still hard, so it does still rip a little bit,
Yeah.
but that's okay.
Yeah.
He's only gonna drop it on the floor anyway. Alright, so he wants to make it darker blue. So, oh, you just got it on my hands.
Sorry.
So he's going to be using
What's it?
this
Two.
and a toothpick. Okay, and this is in the shade Royal Blue. Alright, put it a little bit in there. And then touch your slime. Hold on, just poke it. There you go. Alright, put that on the lid. This is what it looks like. Then you just mix it up. And it'll start to get darker. Oh, and rip, I guess. Okay, so it's not as dark as he would like, so we're gonna put a little bit more. Let me see. Alright. Stretch it. Play with it.
Blue slime.
Put it down here so they can see.
Works.
Ooh. Oh. Oh, pulled it too hard. You gotta pull it soft. You like it? You excited? Let me see.
I know what it does. Oh, it's like to poop. Hey, Mommy.
Let's see if it makes that sound. Let's see. Let's just twist it around with my finger.
Oh, it does. Here, Mommy. Give it to me.
So this is what my hands look like now. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know you guys always want a video with my son and I choose not to, but today I was like, alright, nobody's home but me and him, so he made his blue slime for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and then like always, we love you guys.